Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about what's in my travel backpack, organization tips, and review for YouTubers or just mompreneurs. Now, whenever you choose a bag for travel, work, or school, it has to be a few things. One, it has to be durable enough to be long-lasting and not damage your equipment. Two, versatile in compartments. You want specific pockets to hold things in place. And three, but this is very important, it should be big enough or small enough for your specific lifestyle and easy to carry, which is why I carry a backpack. So the bag I'm using today is from a company called SAHM. They were nice enough to send me this bag to review for you guys, and the one that I chose is called by Boo. It's a travel backpack, and this is completely perfect for all of my YouTubing gear. So I'm going to show you guys all the cool compartments and everything that I pack and organize in this sucker whenever I go on day trips. But first I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the company because they have a lot of cool things. Now, if you've never heard of them, Resan means journey in Swedish, and they pretty much founded the company trying to solve frustrations on better organization for our bags. Seriously? That's awesome. If you haven't been to their website, you should check it out. They have so many great products for travel and organization. I know that I'm going to be ordering a few more things that I have my eyes on very soon. This is the best place to go if you guys like to travel, even if it's day trips or weekend trips like I like to do because I have 2 kids. So trust me, I know I don't always get to travel, but it is just such a time saver when you have all these organizational things to plan out your day or your weekend. So I wanted to do a quick review on my bag, then show you how I organize it for a day trip or a weekend trip as a YouTuber. So first I'm going to show you all of the pockets and functionality of the backpack, then where I pack everything. First, there's a top pocket for smaller and easy to access things. The back has a folder or a portfolio carrier if you want to carry it suitcase style, or it can be used as a luggage strap, which I found really cool. One of my favorite designs of this backpack are these little hidden pockets on the straps for cards. So I chose this backpack because of the color design, but when I received this, I realized this wasn't just the sleek design, it also had 2 front hidden pockets, which was really exciting because it made it more spacious and easy to access without looking really obvious. Another cool feature this backpack has is this anti-theft lock, which helps keep your stuff safe. And then another one is this USB port on the side to keep your phone or devices charged. Now that is pretty sleek and awesome. And now I'm going to show you the inside compartments. The first being this top zippered smaller pocket. This second deeper open pocket. There is a place to keep pens and pencils. 2 small pockets near the bottom. Then this cord is what could attach to a portable extendable battery. They sell them at Target for about $5 or $10. And if that's not enough, the front has more pockets. This one is for a laptop up to 17 inches, I believe, and straps to hold it safely in place. The second pocket here is for tablets, or it could be used for documents that you want to hold securely. There are these side straps that velcro together, that way when you're opening your bag, everything isn't just falling out and it stays pretty secure. Don't worry, I thoroughly tested it out for you guys. Now, onto the things I like to organize in my bag. Okay, one of the things I always have to bring are extra camera batteries with my charger, because there have been many situations where my camera dies in the middle of filming, So of course, the next thing is my actual camera with the memory card. Then I just bring a notepad that I have dedicated specifically to YouTube that has the breakdown of my videos, ideas, collabs, etc., and tuck it in the back. So of course I need to make sure I have pens or pencils. For the top compartment, since it is smaller, it's perfect for things like scrunchies and hair ties. I got these at Walmart pretty cheap and I love them. They're pretty and velvety and so soft, and because I have naturally curly hair, they don't tug on my hair and rip my hair out, so that is super important. Then I also store my charging block here. Also, no matter where I go, I always like carrying a water bottle to motivate myself to stay healthy. I actually got myself a new water bottle, y'all. The brand is called Ello, and it's one of those keeps your water cold for 24-hour ones, so hopefully it works. It also has an anti-spill lock, which is awesome. I do sometimes pack a tablet for the kids. It's depending on how far our trip is going to be. There are times where we visit their grandparents, which are about 3 hours away, so it just helps keep them entertained. Another thing that I always like carrying around with me to help me film is this small portable flexible stand that I can kind of attach anywhere. Then depending on how long our trip is going to be, I like to pack my laptop. I have an HP. My daughter stuck this little Apple symbol, it's a sticker, onto my laptop, and I don't have the heart to take it off because she loves it on there. But I have a 17-inch laptop, so it is very thick because it's HP, so it doesn't fit into the front pocket, but that's okay because I just tuck it right here into the main part of the backpack, and it fits perfect. Then I like packing snacks, and these Cliff Bars are my favorite. The chocolate hazelnut butter ones are so good. Then I'm just going to tuck these into the first front pockets. Then I also like to pack these Go-Go Squeezes, at least 2, one for each of my kids, because every time I travel, I'm always out with my kids and they tend to get hungry, so I always like carrying extra snacks with us. Then in this top pocket, I like to put in things that I might occasionally need to take out on a moment's notice, like my charging cables. I also like to put in a couple of headphones in there because I like listening to music. The last thing I keep up here is a thing of chapstick. I gotta keep my, lips luscious. So it's just easiest for it to be up here. I can pull it out super easy. Then for one of the straps, I'll keep all of my cards here in place, zipper it up. And then for the second strap, I'll keep band-aids and antiseptic wipes and just small things that you might find in a first aid kit. And this is my laptop charging cord. I will stick this in the front, that way it's easily taken out as well. Then I also like to bring an extra sweater if I'm not currently wearing one, and if I am wearing one, which I am today, I will bring maybe like a shawl or just a very light little blanket. That way if I get cold or if the kids get cold, I'll just kind of tuck this on top of them. Then last but not least, to keep my phone from bulging out of my pockets, I like to keep it in this front bottom pocket. It's a perfect size for it, and it's the only thing that I keep in there. That way when I hear it ringing, I can easily unzip it and just get to it right away. And that is it for my backpack organization. So if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more of my videos. If you guys want to check out more Ressan products, I am going to leave the link down below for the website and where I got this backpack. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye!